Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is revamp, and if you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, a regular, an OG, welcome home, baby. Well, guys, today I want to show you how I transformed this wig, because this is not how it looked. Okay, but yeah, details will be in the rest of the video, so just continue watching to see how I achieved this cute color. I dyed the hair, I bleached it, then I dyed it, and then yeah, this was the outcome. So stay tuned to check out what I did. Okay. Oh, copyright error, what morning. Hi guys, why do I feel like the lighting is a bit dark? Like, I don't understand. Is it better? But now whoever passes there is gonna be in my video. But like from this side, I feel like it's too bright from this side. You guys, I could say tens could create contentville, and I wanted to use this room today. For the OGs, they know that I used to remember the portrait behind me in my old videos, but I used to shoot in here. But anyway, guys, hi, sorry for not greeting first, but hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. My name is sefalirefilwe, and for those who are new here, welcome, Bolavi, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And for my OGs, my regulars, my day ones, thank you so much for always coming back to check what your homegirl is up to. Welcome home, baby. Okay guys, don't mind this now, the little story behind this, but I'm gonna remove it. It probably won't be here for the rest of the video. It's just that for those who I have on Instagram, they probably saw me post, I think last week or so, that I'm like gonna go pierce my nose, right? So I went to Lovisa, and then because I actually have like a bit of acne on my nose, after I had paid for my piercing, after I'd paid the $350, as we're about to, Miguel takes out the earring and the gun, and now she's like, unfortunately we were taught not to pierce when you have acne on your nose. That time she already took my money and gave me a slip, and clearly she has no intentions of giving me a refund. She's like, so I don't know if you can like go to a doctor and check if the doctor approves for you to get a nose ring, and then you can come back. I'll just write on your slip that you did pay, but you just didn't get the piercing. I was so livid. So I decided, okay, let me try and treat it at home, because there's no way I'm going to pay for consultation fee for get permission, you know, and because I know that these pimples are not like anything serious. Usually they come when I've either had too much oil, like I've been eating a lot of oily foods, or I don't know, but like they come and go. There are times where they're not there at all, and then because I wanted to pierce my nose, all of a sudden they decided, oh, we are going to be here. Like, we are here. You know? So anyway, guys, and don't mind my bonnet, because guys, my hair is the pits. But also at the end of the video, I probably won't have the bonnet, because I'll be wearing the wig that I'm about to revamp. So on this video, I want to dye this wig with you guys. Wait till this wig, it upsets me, man. But anyway, I bought this hair from, guys, the lighting is awkward, man. I don't know. I really don't like it. I'm not feeling it. And that other side where I normally shoot, it's a bit dark, and I want to use the table, so you know. But anyway, I want to dye this hair, right? I bought this hair, Jonga. Dude, I'm not dragging you or anything, so please don't take it personal. I'm just talking about my experience with the hair I bought from you. So I bought this hair from Revenge Hair last year, right? He was having a sale. He had a 20-inch for 1.9, right? And it was supposed to be a full frontal, but when it came, it's like this, like it's literally just till here, you know. So I don't know, is that what they call a 5x5 or what? But you know, it's not a ear to ear closure. But also, what I noticed is my closure is not the same to the bundles. Even the color, like the closure looks like a natural color, and then the bundles have like a blackish color. So I don't understand. So you know what? I hate the fact that I spend my 1.9 and I don't really enjoy wearing the hair. I enjoyed it the first time I got it installed, Coco Casey. You know, it looked nice for that weekend. But after the weekend, I was just like, I don't like this hair, you know, because already it just looked like I've had it for a while. So anyway, without wasting any more time, I'm gonna dye it. I'm first gonna start off by bleaching it, right? So that I can emphasize the brown color, because I wanted to dye it a chocolate brown, but the person who I sent for the dye brought me the wrong color dye. Everything that has to do with this wig is not coming together. But now I'm just hoping that it actually works out. But I think I want to try. I'm gonna try the highlights. You know, the brown and the blonde highlight thing that's been going. I want to try that. But if it doesn't work, it's fine. I'll just cover the whole wig brown. You know. So yeah, guys, I have bleached my hair before. Like you guys know that short bobbish hair. But now I don't remember. Am I supposed to wet my hair first before bleaching it, or what? You know, because I see here for, but seeing the correct application of hair bleaching powder is extremely important to obtain good results. For best results, shampoo hair with brilliant pre-bleaching shampoo before bleaching. So is that a thing? Don't you just apply your bleach? So I'm trying to Google, do I have to wet my hair before bleaching? Okay, guys, never mind the mess on the table. Honestly, I feel like the bleach is a bit too little, but hopefully it does the work. Hopefully. So I've been applying it with a comb, but I feel like the comb is not doing what I want it to do. It's not spreading it out evenly for me. And because this wig is long, that's why I feel like the bleach is too little. You know. But yeah, it's a long procedure, so I'll check you guys once I'm done bleaching it. You guys, you see why I was complaining about this hair? Let me show you. Look at this. After a whole 30 minutes, the closure is bleached-ish. It has changed color, right? But it's not what I wanted it to be at this point. But then the rest of the hair, look at that. You get me? Why do these people sell us nonsense? Whereas the rest of the people they're selling hair to, they're selling proper hair to them. Like, as I said to you guys, that other hair of mine, I've once bleached it, and that's how I know that I can actually bleach hair. And it was like proper. It came out like blonde, you know. But then with this, certain strands came out blonde, you know. But you know what? For benefit of the doubt, maybe it's me. Maybe I didn't have enough bleach. Even though I ended up applying the bleach to the whole hair, I was able to now I'm actually just praying that the dye is gonna work, or then I would have just wasted my money. You know?
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching, something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. No, no, no. Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching, something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I got to say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. Can't go one more day without you. No, no, can't go one more day. No, I can't. Day without you. One more, one more day. I can't go one more day without you. No, I can't go one more day.
Okay guys, so I'm done applying the dye. So now we're just gonna wait for like 30 minutes. So let me set the alarm for that. Okay, let me set the clock for that and pray, like fingers crossed, that it actually turns out the way I'm hoping it's going to turn out, due to the fact that the bleach already maybe it's true though. I told you guys, but every time you record, there's just something shit. And don't mind all of the things, like guys, the room is a bit messy. My cracked screen, well, that's 29 minutes, or still 30 minutes, it was 29 minutes, 55 seconds. So now we wait and hope for the best, alright? So I think instead of coming back to just talk to you guys, I'll come back once I'm done with everything so that you guys can see the final. I'm realizing the last time I did wash my hair with me, my waves with me, I was wearing this exact outfit. I don't think this outfit is like a revamp wig outfit. Guys, we're getting you, she's acting. Mimi, no. What is it? Intoni. Yakabani. Ich yako mama. We are charging kitchen mus. Yakabani charger. If ich yakabani kitchen, she calls her phone Ishi. Ever since she was a little baby, she's been calling it Ishi. Now girl is almost 3 and she still calls it Ishi. And it's not that she can't say phone. She's just comfortable saying key. It's phone.
Phone.
See? She's just comfortable with saying key. For some odd reason. Hi guys. I'm officially back. After you Kunini deep busy with this hair. But anyway, this is the final outcome. This is how the hair came out. Well, it's not bad. It actually looks good. I just wish this color was like literally all over. But as I said to you guys, I have a feeling the closure and the bundles are not the same thing. Con into off, icona into off. But nonetheless, I'm actually happy with how it looks, and I ended up cutting it because really, guys, there was something about this hair. Remember I said it was a 20-inch, and you guys remember how it looked. So yeah, I cut it to look like a, what is it? A blob, a long bob. Yeah, I turned it into a blob instead. So yeah, this is how it looks. And if you guys have any questions, please do not be afraid to ask. Okay, Bota. Oh my god, and my makeup looks so cute. I didn't even do much. Guys, highlight and contour is the girl it thinks it is. But this is the second time I'm doing it, and I'm absolutely happy. I am happy with the outcome, okay? I forgot. Guys, if you are new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have not subscribed, baby, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Join the family. I'm not even sure where my camera is. Join the La Familia, okay? Join the family and haribon the man. Huh? Get out for the tips and tricks, really proper. You know? Anything here, anything, whatever. I'm your girl. Clearly these days, hair is my thing. And if you are a returning subby, thank you so much. And if you've watched till the end, thank you so much.